Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and today I'm so excited to be doing this live unboxing with you. This is my new Wayfarer large drawstring bag from Dooney and Bourke. It is in the taupe color and it is in the nylon material. So I haven't ordered any nylon handbags from Dooney. It's my very first. I have handbags in the Saffiano, the Florentine, and the pebble leather. But I was curious about, owning something in a lightweight canvas since I own a handful of Louis Vuitton canvas bags and I love them. And I just feel like you can really pack them, but the bag doesn't add too much weight. So let's dive in, shall we? Here we go. There she is, falling out, ready to come out and be unpacked. I'm so excited. Let's get the box out of the way. And here it is. So I guess you could really press it down, right? Because it is a nylon bag. And I have never owned a drawstring bag. I mean, maybe back in the day, like back in high school. I'm in my 40s now, so we're talking another lifetime ago. So this is definitely something very, very new for me, experience-wise. But let's get the packing material off and see what she looks like. Okay, we've got the tag stuck in there. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am loving the look of this. Oh my gosh. So this is the large size and oh my gosh, I love the size of this. It is, I think it's like 10 inches in length and height and about 7 inches in depth. I'm just trying to get all the packing material out of here. And I got this, just when you want to carry a bag where you want to be able to carry quite a bit, but you don't want so much weight on it, like you're going out for a day of shopping. Wow, I love the leather detailing. The nylon, it's such a rich, like really good quality material. It doesn't look at all flimsy or anything. It looks like you could pack this up quite a bit and make it heavy. I also like these pockets in the front there on the bottom. I feel like I could use that definitely to store like cards or Kleenex and things, like those things you need access to. Here's my Dooney and Bourke card. So again, there she is on the inside. And there's also the strap, which I know from the pictures online is a thicker strap, which I like because I was going for comfort along with like aesthetics with this bag. I wanted something that fit my style that I thought would be beautiful to own. Oh, there we go. It's ripping right off. Okay, good. Not too challenging to get this unpacked. Oh my gosh. Look at that Dooney and Bourke logo right there. That is beautiful. I love it. I love this, the leather detailing on here and the gold details. So it's a shorter strap. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. I wanted it as a shoulder bag. Something I could carry to work even on days where I maybe don't need to take a computer or something like that with me, which is most days. I actually don't. So the whole drawstring bag for me is a unique experience because, like I said, I haven't really owned them in the past. And so I feel like I have to like adjust this a bit and get used to that. But I really just like the look of it. So I'll do a review later on where I talk more about how I pack it and what I think of it after I've used it a bit. But my first impressions are, what a pretty bag. Really, really nice. Again, I'm just gonna try it on here on my shoulder. It fits so nice. The strap really is comfortable and I like that it's removable because I like to mix up my straps. But I do want to put a few things in here right off the bat to see, how it looks with items inside it. So I'm just going to reach for a few things here. Here are my reading glasses. Toss that in there. Here is my PM cosmetic pouch in the Damier Ebene print. Here is my little agenda. Throw that in there. Here is my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton in the monogram print. Here is my wallet. Get that in there. Here are my sunglasses in this little nylon case. And I'm just gonna reach in. I'm going into another handbag here and emptying it. I've got some Kleenex, and I've also got this little card holder with my initials on there. And again, I'm just like throwing things in at random just to see, wow, that is incredible. And I have so much room in here. I could easily put a sweater, water bottle, you know, other things would definitely fit on top of this really comfortably. And now if I go to close this, oh, there we go. Now I'm learning the bag a little more. And I'm just gonna close these for now, just to see what it looks like. But there she is, a quick look at the bag with all the items in it. And again, that nylon is just great. I mean, because, oh, see, the bag doesn't feel heavy with this material in there. Yeah, that's great. So that's what I got it for. And I'm so excited to just like break in the bag and use it. But my first impressions are great color, really nice detailing, and I love the combo of the leather with the nylon. I like it a lot, and I think the size of the bag is awesome, that I could, you know, on those days where you need to carry some extra stuff, you don't want to have to worry about downsizing, you don't want to have to worry about what you're carrying or changing your cosmetic pouch. You can just throw in everything you need in here and it'll fit right in. And I don't have my Kindle by me, but that's another thing I may want to throw in here, or a snack, you know, so I just think I'll get a lot of use out of the bag. And it's just a nice mix of like casual, but you know, also it's got a little something. It's got nice style for sure. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me. Bye, see you soon.